Hello, my lovely friends. Just a cup of this, like just one cup of this, did wonders to my tummy. If you want to have a flat tummy, stick around and I'll share with you this recipe that flushes you and flushes everything all out. Like, I'll get to that, but before getting into the benefits, the first thing you need is lemon. So you want to get the lemon, wash thoroughly and take out the seeds. We are using everything, the peel of the lemon, the fruit, like everything, because the peel contains this component called pectin, which helps to facilitate fast weight loss. It boosts your metabolism, plus there is a lot of fiber which aids with digestion and weight loss. So this is what you want to do. Take out the seed, slice. This will boost your metabolism and facilitate fast fat burning. So that is it aside. The next very powerful ingredient I add is spinach. If you don't have spinach, you can use any other green leafy vegetable like kale. This is very good because of the chlorophyll, which helps to boost digestion and weight loss. This helps to flush excess sugars from your system, boost your metabolism, cleanse your tummy, and facilitate fast belly fat loss. Spinach. So this is a handful of spinach. You want to get your spinach washed thoroughly and you set that aside. Very good for fat burning. Another very powerful fat burning ingredient I add is cucumber. These are very powerful for fat burning as they support your system to detox and flush toxins out, cleanse your organs, leave them in very good state to in turn like do the job of flushing your system, most especially your liver. This leaves your liver in very perfect state. So you want to get your cucumber. What you need is half a cucumber. So this is not zucchini, this is English cucumber. So there are two kinds of cucumbers. If you have the regular cucumber, that is fine. This is it, slice up and you set this aside. Very powerful for fat burning and detoxification. The next thing I add is pineapple because of the bromelain in pineapple, which is very good for fat burning as well. Equally very filling, will fill you up while burning the fat for you, because this is like a meal replacement. While so you don't want to starve yourself to lose weight, you need to put in the right thing that will help your system burn fat. And pineapple, most especially the middle part, contains a lot of fiber. That hard middle part is mostly fiber, which is very filling and facilitate fast weight loss, plus the bromelain in pineapple, which is very good for fat burning. So this is very powerful. This is like you get your pineapple, divide in 3 portions. You need just 1 portion of it. So this is it, slice up, and I equally add some apple cider vinegar. This curbs your appetite. This is a secret. If you don't want to eat a lot, just add some apple cider vinegar. It curbs your appetite in your tea, whatever. It makes you not feel like eating a lot, which is very good for weight loss and fat burning. Plus it cleanses bacteria from your system, causing all the slowing down your metabolism and preventing you from losing weight. I'll share with you the measurement, but the first thing you want to do is to get a blender. Go ahead and add in the spinach. I put in the spinach first because yeah, so this is a handful of spinach, a lot of it. Like get a full hand, like a handful of it, like a put in your blender. This is very good. Chlorophyll is very, it has so many benefits for your system. So you go ahead, after you add in the handful of spinach, go ahead and add in the lemon. That is the one lemon. You go ahead and add in the cucumber, half a cucumber, and the pineapple. So you divide your pineapple in 3 portions. I don't know mathematics, please. Is it 1/3? Is yes, it's 1/3, yeah, of the pineapple. And you go ahead and add in your apple cider vinegar. Very important. So this is it, and the secret is, anyway, just measure 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. At just 1 tablespoon, you don't need to put a lot. A little goes a long way. Don't overpower your recipe with apple cider vinegar. Just 1 tablespoon, and that is fine. So what is we are having to blend this is the juice from the pineapple. I don't add water in here. It is just so concentrated and rich. So no need to add water. The water from the cucumber, because cucumbers are like 86% water based. Pineapples are like 98 or something percent water based, like almost water. So that is the water you use to blend this up with. So these are very fruity, very juicy, and it makes this so yummy, and like this is so powerful. This will not only help flush your tummy of fats, waste, cleanse your inner tummy, and have you lose your belly fat and have a flat tummy. This is equally going to help to boost your system, fight diseases for you, form a disease fighting barrier in your system, fortify your system for good health as well. This is so powerful, so nourishing, will load up your system with a lot of vitamins and minerals for the proper functioning of your system and leave you so healthy. So get you your flat tummy while equally boosting your health as well. This is very powerful. Just one cup of it will do wonders. It will help you cleanse your tummy and have your tummy all flat and down. Yeah, so there is equally one thing if you're not doing one thing very important is water. This is something if you're not doing, you want to start doing. Most people substitute water, which is very bad. Water is something you don't substitute. Water is very good for digestion. Without drinking enough water, your food stores up, causing belly fat and weight gain. So if you're not drinking enough water, like at least 2 liters of water a day, you want to go ahead and start doing so. Start drinking enough water after each meal. Make sure you're drinking your water. Don't substitute water for whatever. I don't want to call names because most people have noticed friends, they drink and they get some sugary other stuffs to substitute water for different kinds of juices which are not really healthy. Take note that excess sugars in your system slow your metabolism and you gain weight. So don't avoid sugary drinks and drink your fresh regular water, and trust me, try this recipe alongside just one day. Like this is not for so many days, like just one day you will see how much this will help you. Spinach even helps to soften your stool. If you're that person that is always constipated, and this helps to soften your stool and send you to your restroom, you easily pass out everything, poo everything all out, and have your belly all nice and down, plus shred bad fat out of your system, and you end up with a very healthy body size. Yeah, so this is a picture of me in case you're new here. This is me, Risa. I am not too big, not skinny as well. I just have a healthy body size without excess fat on my body. This keeps you healthy, free from high blood pressure due to obesity, diabetes, and the rest. This keeps you always healthy without belly fat as well. So share this video with your family and friends, and trust me, you would love it. Come back and tell me how you feel about it, and I will see you again in my next video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and bye.